In this video, we'll look into how to use modules. So to create a module, right click on this Python application and add new item. Select empty Python file. That'll create module1.py. Just have that module1 as a present. So this is module1.py. Here I'll define a function, pass a parameter num and return num into 2. So this is the module we have defined. Save it and then close that module. Now let us go to the Python application 1. Here let us import that module 1. Then let us call that function module fn pass 5. So this will give us 5 into 2 is 10. Print that. Debug, start with that. So it has printed 10. So in the module 1.py we have defined this definition of function fn, and we are passing a parameter num and we are returning twice of that number. So in the actual application, we have imported the module and we have called that function and passed the parameter 5 and it has returned us 10. Let us create another function in module. Here find get fruits lst fruits column equal to grapes orange. I will return this fruits. Save it, close this module. We have already imported module 1, so print module 1 dot get fruits. Let us execute now. So here it has printed apple, grapes and orange. So this is how we can use a module. We can write some code in the module, save it and then call it from the actual Python application. If you don't know what functions are there in module 1 and want to find out what functions are there in module 1, then you can use print help module 1. Execute this. So here I'll get the help on module 1. The name is module 1. The functions are fn accepts one parameter num and get fruits. The file is at this location. So that's how you can get a help from module 1 to know what functions exist there. Now if you want to use inbuilt modules, so there is a math module called math. Here I'll say math dot square root of 25. and here say print math dot square root of 50. Execute this. Square root of 25 is 5. So this is how you can import the inbuilt modules and avail the functions. Save. Let us see help for this. Help on math. Does start. So now we are getting the name is math. Section this module provides access to the mathematical functions defined by the standard, and these are all the functions a cos, j. Scroll down, there are a lot. All these you can make use. Here you are getting more. So that's how you can get help of the inbuilt modules and make use of the functions in those modules.